Hey guys, good morning. It's about 9:30 right now. I've been up since like 4 something had work this morning and been trying to do a number of different things. I'm setting up a profile on Steemit. If you guys hadn't heard about that, man, that's a really interesting investment and opportunity. A lot of people are moving over from YouTube to Steam, to Steemit.com, and because the rewards there are better and faster, and you can get paid out in higher volumes based on on lower people following you. So it's really kind of cool, interesting. I'll have to do a whole video just on Steemit because it's kind of like pretty intricate, but it's pretty cool because you can use your upvotes to get other people, instead of just liking a video on YouTube, there's actually a monetary value attached to your, how much you use Steemit and how much, if you want to invest into Steemit to uprank your voting power, which is pretty cool. They call it Steam Power, but worth looking into. I hold some Steam right now, and something that I'm considering, holding more of because of their structure and their rollout is really interesting. There's less than 200,000 users right now, so if it gets big, it'd be cool to be on the early side of it and looking into it. But guys, the cryptocurrency market is up to over $80 billion now. Bitcoin itself is up over, let's see here, I believe it's up over 2,000. Look at this, $2,271 on Coinbase, which is awesome. Actually, Coinbase is working. Okay, guys, another thing on Coinbase. It's been up and down. I keep getting an error code when I'm logging in, and it's giving me trouble. But on the plus side, Blockfolio is up again, and it's just kind of crazy how much so many people are getting into Bitcoin. Now that Bitcoin, let me show you guys the price of gold. I was just looking, $1,262 for gold right here, $17 for silver. The market manipulation on those two things alone are enough to make people want to get into cryptocurrencies because they keep going up, whereas gold and silver have been suppressed for decades. It's just crazy. But basically, the market cap is awesome. Bitcoin has beat gold by a long shot, and honestly, I think it's gone a little fast. I think we're going to see some retracement on that, which is okay. I'm not going to cash out on my Bitcoin just because it's going to be going up and down. I'm in it for the long haul, and I've stored 2 Bitcoin on this ledger. I stored 2 on this Trezor, and I like them both. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a review on these and a comparison. And in fact, I got a new one in today because Amazon, man, they're running out of them so quick. I was wanting to put a couple more Bitcoin on another one. But if you guys were looking for them, you can't find them on Amazon. Let me see. Let me know. I might just sell this one instead of trying to hang on to it. Just let me know. I'm working on another solution for you guys. It says $249 on Amazon right now. If you can see that, $249. That's ridiculous, man. They're supposed to go for like $100, $90 or something. Crazy. But anyhow, the Trezor is not so expensive right now. Trezor is $139. So anyhow, guys, you gotta have a way to back up your currencies. If you do a software wallet on your desktop computer, if you do it, there are apps on your phones that you can actually store your crypto, or if you want to do a hardware wallet like what we're trying to do, with a combination of software and hardware. And however you can secure your coins, it's a good idea. These Coinbase has been crashing, man, and if you wanted to sell some of your Bitcoin or your Ethereum or your Litecoin, any of those things, you would have had to have access to them offline to be able to to do anything with them. And if these markets crash and you don't have access to them, man, it sucks to miss out on opportunities. But for me, Bitcoin's not even, I don't want to sell it. I don't want to spend my Bitcoin ever. But I'm going to show you guys. I got this, I told you, this Shift debit card. And this will actually, I can spend my Bitcoin with this thing here. I'm trying to cover the, don't want to give the numbers away. But this actually will spend Bitcoin for me, and I'll have to show you guys. I'll go do a purchase on it, and so that you can see that you can spend your Bitcoin through Coinbase if you want to, because they are actually a bank. You can store money in their USD wallet once you're verified, and that's actually insured just like any other bank. And so I know some people were asking me about that, but that's a pretty cool feature of them. The other side of Coinbase is they're having a hard time verifying credit cards. I know a couple of people right now that are struggling with it, and that's a problem. The upside is I'm working on workaround. I'm looking at other websites that offer Bitcoin that you can buy for cash, and you can look at those things. Let's see. Overall, guys, it's a good time to be in cryptocurrencies. The whole market is up. I made $20,000 in 101 days, and it just I stopped talking about how much money I made after that. But it's significantly higher than that now, and I'm pretty excited about that. I started investing because of I don't have a 401k. I don't have anybody offering me any retirement, so I started investing in cryptocurrencies. Started doing well for me, so I started putting more money in, and it's blown up. So you guys, if you're looking at how to learn how to trade, I'm setting up a course to do that. You can send me your email. You can email me at the easiest way is probably Marco at myquicktip@gmail.com if you want to email me there. Or if you want to hit me up on Facebook, you can message me there with your email, or the My Quick Tip Investing group on Facebook. You can hit me up there. But hit me up with your questions, guys. I had been asked that question about the credit card, so I'm glad to answer that and tell you guys. Coinbase says they are working on it. They did release some information on that, so hopefully that's resolved soon. Zen is supposed to be going live at 8 o'clock tonight. Thanks, Manny, for the question and for finding that, that page and posting that. Guys, there's valuable information being shared on My Quick Tip Investing in the group, and it's free. There's no cost to that. There's people, like-minded people looking into cryptocurrencies that are, having questions and finding solutions to those questions, and that's the whole reason we set up the group. So hopefully you check that out. But overall, guys, cryptos are booming. It's for real. The market's growing because it's legitimate, and people are seeing the value now that Bitcoin is over the price of gold, almost doubling the price of gold. It's a psychological barrier that people are like, okay, this is probably legitimate. And when people like Bill Gates say that cryptocurrencies are even better than our physical currencies that we use, the American dollar every day, and they get those kinds of endorsements. And now with Ripple, Ripple's got 15 of the top 50 banks, and JP Morgan's investing into Ethereum and that blockchain and that technology. It's just like, I don't know how many more people you need to legitimize this, but it's real, and people are making money. People ask, well, have you ever pulled your money out? Yes, absolutely. I pulled over $5,000 out at once before. I pulled over $3,000 out another time, a few $100s out here and there. I have the access to it as quickly as I want it. But honestly, I don't want to spend it. My money is making money, and that's the way it should be. You shouldn't have to make money. Your money should make you money. And that's the benefit of holding it in right now. So guys, for those of you that are, people holding on to Bitcoin, if it tanks, don't worry about it. When I say tanks, if it drops a couple $100, if it drops $500, I'm not going to panic. I'm going to be happy holding on to Bitcoin because I'm in it for the long haul. 2020 is the halvening, where it's going to reduce. It's going to be more scarce by half the volume, It's already hard to get Bitcoin. Coinbase is overloaded. Poloniex, you guys have seen the volume has exploded. It's hard to move cryptos around because everybody wants cryptocurrency. So think about that. Think about the positive things. Try and keep a smile, and even through the frustration of some of the wait times of the block sizes, verifications, and through the congestion on like Poloniex. But keep your chin up, keep trying, and be encouraged, because you're making money, man. This, I don't know anybody that's negative in their accounts right now on cryptocurrency. So hopefully you're making smart moves, and hopefully we can guide you to make even better ones. I'll talk to you guys later.